unique custom-made Valentine's Day gift ideas. Hello, everybody. Welcome to Seven Savings Garden. Seven Savings, we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events like Valentine's Day. So today we're gonna be talking about custom-made Valentine's Day items. Here you have custom-made Valentine's Day items like T-shirts for men and women. We have hoodies for men and for women too. You can also give tank tops and other there are other different types of custom made items that you can get for your Valentine this year. So there are a lot of different variety of custom made items depending on what you want to say on the what you want the item to say on the shirt. So we have custom made cups here, and we have custom made uh, pillowcases or pillows and other different things that you can find. You just look for what you think, um, what you like, or what you think the person you're getting it for is gonna like. So there are just so many different designs and so many different uh, 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 words or things that are written on the designs that you just have to choose for yourself which one you like to get. So, but there are different websites that you can find more of these custom made designs like this. Like here, you have custom made phone cases and hoodies, tank tops, and many more. And also, please let me know in the comment below your favorite custom made items. Ones, like I was saying, there's so many different ones that you can choose from. So I'll see if I can put the links to some of these below. Also, there's different websites like Teespring or Cafe Press and a few others where you can find custom made items. Custom made items are very good because one, they are unique. Not everybody has them, not everybody's gonna have them, and most of the time you're gonna get what you really what you want in terms of the words on the design and how you want the expression that you want to give. So like here you have custom made earrings and bags, and there are so many different ones. For you can get custom made sweaters or shirts or coverall for dogs and teddy bears and clocks. So there are so many different things you can get for custom made items, and most of them are cheap. They are between $15 and $30. So it's really great items that you can get for your Valentine. Okay, that's it for today. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and hit the notification, and don't forget to share. Thank you and have a fabulous day.